Now I'd like to talk about my research and scholarship over the past 3 years. In my statement of research, I cover the things that are interesting to me and my focus, which includes child welfare, the Afrocentric perspective, the scholarship of teaching and learning, and data science methodologies in social work. While these areas seem disconnected, I use my research and scholarship activities connect them as I focus on applying the Afrocentric perspective to child welfare issues using data science methodologies. Additionally, I involved my students in this research by having them do research projects on child welfare using data science methodologies. Additionally, by themes, I list out for you uh, specific areas of interest that I've covered through the Afrocentric perspective by publishing articles in the literature, establishing a model for students to learn the Afrocentric perspective, as well as using the Afrocentric perspective on research specific to establishing Carrie Steele as a social work pioneer. I present evidence in this monograph that shows her legacy, as well as creating some clear connections to nonprofit development and management prior to and similar to the works of Jane Addams and the Settlement House movement. Lastly, for this piece, I also provide information that corrects some misinformation that's in the literature about Carrie Steele and her work with African American children in a historical context. Following that research, I want to focus on continuing the child welfare discussion by using the National Data Archival data sets for child abuse and neglect. I obtained my IRB approval to use this data set in my research, as well as developing modules for the students to also use this data set in our course. Lastly, to talk about my data science activities, I'm an affiliate of the AUC Data Science Initiative. I presented at the inaugural W.E.B. Du Bois Symposium, as well as co-moderated one of the panel discussions. Other data science initiative activities that I've participated in included getting certificates from the IBM Data Science Foundation's Level 2 courses, which include an introduction to data science methodologies, and data science hands-on with open source tools. That certificate program has also been included in my course where students will gain the same certifications. Another data science initiative program that I participated in through the Provost Summer Development Institute was the Harvard X courses. Those courses included similar content, but also included specific content to using R and RStudio. And again, students will be learning that in my course as well. And lastly, I participated in another IBM data science where I can be an instructor for their data science program. Thank you. And as you look forward to reading the documents, please note any comments, recommendations that you would like for me to know. I look forward to talking with you soon. Thank you.